Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to show you how to make a gutter cleaning tool that'll help you out. DIY gutter cleaning tool. It's actually one of these little gutter scoops. Okay, this one's pretty worn out. We're going to make a new one. Today we're going to show you how to do it using one of these. I'm sure you got one laying around in the garage. So I got a utility knife. You can use tin snips or sharp scissors. And the Sharpie, this is actually a dry erase marker. Okay, so let's draw it out, what we're going to do. And then I'll show it to you in a second. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys, because it's only for cleaning the gutter. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I'm not screwing this thing up. Alright. I think we're pretty good right there. Alright. Boom. This off. Unscrew this. We don't need that anymore. Alright guys, I'm trying to make this one a little bit different. You can see the marks, guys. Just follow this line. I'm not giving you the middle finger, I'm just showing you the line. We're going to cut that off. Alright? I wouldn't give you the middle finger. Alright. Let me get it started with a utility knife. Again, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? Because for cleaning gutters, just do yourself a favor and don't cut yourself. Okay, I'm going a little fast here, but just be careful. And remember, this stuff is toxic, so you should be wearing gloves. I chose not to do that, but anyway, you guys just make sure that you do it, okay? And watch your eyes too. Make sure there's nothing in here. I should have made sure this was clean, and I didn't. So don't do what I do, okay? Boom. There you have it, guys. Gutter cleaning scoop. Okay? This will get the gutters nice and clean. You know, if you will get one of these things, Home Depot or Lowe's, you'll be paying $8, $10 for for a scooper. Make one for free. Okay? Well, that's it, guys. Hope this helps you out with your gutter cleaning project. We'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.